Namaskar dosto. Once again, welcome to my channel Man the Educator. In last episode of my video, I have posted about last minute tips for ICSE 2025. A night before your board exams, what are the things you should take care of. So I hope that video must have helped you to start your examination without any stress. If you are alert, if you are prepared before the examination, surely it will create positive vibes in you. In today's video, I am going to talk about the last minute suggestions for your maths examination ICSE 2025. First thing, I will start with the time management. As you all know, you have 5 days of gap between second language examination and mathematics examination. And today, Sunday, I am posting this video. So I am assuming half day of Sunday and tomorrow Monday. 1.5 days time before the second language examination. Since your second language examination is on Tuesday coming week. Okay. This 1.5 day also, try to utilize 4 to 5 hours for maths, remaining time for second language. Now, the 5 days gap after the second language. It's good that you have got 5 days gap, which can help you last minute preparation to do more thoroughly. So in these 5 days, minimum 5 hours study every day. 5 hours practice of mathematics is must. Make a plan. Choose easier chapters for you, not the chapters which you found little bit confusing or difficult for you. Make a list of easier chapters. Start with those chapters. Like if I have to suggest you the easier chapters, do one thing. Start with algebra. First, linear inequation chapter. Easy. You can solve it, you can plot it on number line. Quadratic equation chapter, only the solving one to solve the equation, either by quadratic equation Sridharacharya formula or by factorization. Most of the questions nowadays are asked using the formula. I'm not talking about problems based on quadratic equation. Then you can bank on matrices, easier chapter, no addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrices, row and column method, remember? Then AP and GP, purely formula based chapter. You can easily score good marks in that. And then comes factorization, remainder and factor theorem. Understand remainder and factor theorem properly, you must have found it easier. Division, practice few division questions. Okay. So these 5 chapters for algebra, I think questions will be asked between 15 to 20 marks from this. So highly scoring also. After algebra, you can pick commercial arithmetic, which is also one of the easier lot. Focus on 2 chapters of commercial arithmetic first, that is GST, and then bank on banking. The 2 easier chapters. In recurring deposit only, there are 4 or 5 types of question. You will practice, you must be confident on each type. Then GST. Then comes geometry. From geometry, first you pick up the chapter similarity. Proving the 2 triangles similar, finding side or area ratio or scale factor question. Coordinate geometry, first pick up section and midpoint formula, centroid formula. If you remember the formula, you must have practiced, you must have found it easier, you can easily do the question. Then comes probability, one of the easier chapters. One question will be asked. If you know the rule of probability, I hope everyone can do it easily. Then comes 2 very valuable chapters, scoring wise and marks valuation wise. Reflection and statistics. Why I took the name together? Because both contain graph portion. Reflection, 1 graphical question will be asked. Statistics, 2 graphs you have to remember, 1 to find median, quartiles, more than and less than 1, and 1 histogram to find the mode. Other than that, you should know how to find mean by all the methods. Okay, so these 2 chapters are also highly scoring chapters and relatively easier chapters. So you must focus on these easy chapters first. Chapter wise, what are the important, how to remember the formulas easily, what are the important questions, tricks, I will discuss from next video. After your second language examination, I will try to post 1 video for each day so that it will help you to prepare well for your maths examination. So this was about your planning of the chapters. Don't focus on difficult chapters. I will give you later the tips for that. Okay, first focus on the easier chapters. Your mathematical planning or the planning for math subject, one important factor is formulas. You all know the importance of formula for maths and physics. Okay, so make a formula list. I hope you must have already prepared, but still, if you have not prepared, prepare the list of formulas for all the chapters. Remember them well. Formulas are the key for the success in mathematics. So chapter wise, make the formula list and remember them well. This ICSE, your maths paper's duration will be 3 hours. Till last ICSE it was 2.5 hours. So you have an added advantage, half an hour has been increased. So what is the advantage of that? Suppose you are appearing your maths examination, 55 to 60 marks you attempt, you are knowing you did it properly. Last 20 marks question you are finding difficult questions, so don't leave any question. I'm repeating it, don't leave any question. Attempt all the questions. Suppose some of the questions you did not get the idea how to go. At least read the question properly. Note down the values from the question. If you know the formula, write down the formula, substitute the values. If this much also you will do, you will not get 0. You will get half, 1. Stepwise marking is done. So always getting half, 1, 1.5 is better than 0. That much maths everyone know. Okay, so don't leave any question. So what were the gist of the today's video? Make proper planning, utilize few hours before second language exam gap also. The 5 days gap after second language, utilize them very well. Make a list of easier chapters. The easier chapters I have already given the list in the same video, follow that. And comment if you want any extra suggestion, any particular topic suggestion. If you comment on the video, I will surely make some tips and suggestions on those topics also. In coming days, I will post the videos chapter wise so that it will be much more easier and interesting for you. Till then, all the best for your second language examination. Prepare well. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share and comment so that I can make and upload some more interesting and knowledgeable video for you all.